Teachers and dancers never take a projected performance lightly. There is always a rehearsal, where the ballet mistresses make certain that all the gestures and movements are executed correctly. A charming number enacts the legend of the hermit who forgot his vows. 4 kinari, mythical creatures, half woman and half bird, flew down from the clouds to pick some flowers in the forest. 2 monstrous spiders attacked the sisters. Now in this forest dwelled a hermit, faithful in his practice and adherence to the sacred precepts. He had withdrawn from the noisy world in order to give himself up to deep meditations, undisturbed, when who should see him but the kinari. The irreverent creatures complained to the hermit about the spiders. They urged him to kill the monsters. The ascetic replied, no, he could not do that. His way of life forbade killing any living creatures, however evil. The sisters refused to be discouraged. They put their pretty heads together to plot. The kinari gone, the hermit returned to his old place in the forest. Once more was he engaged in profound meditation, when behold, there came the kinari again, but this time bringing their youngest sister, Ratpadai, a charming creature, more mischievous than her older sisters. Humbly, the kinari begged his forgiveness for disturbing his holy meditations. They assured him that they understood his refusal to kill the spiders. As proof that they held no resentment against him, they were giving him their youngest and prettiest sister to serve him. Alas, poor guileless hermit. The fluttering wings of love beat dizzyingly against his face, blinding his eyes, confusing his mind, chasing all austere thoughts therefrom. Forgotten were all his somber meditations, forgotten the sacred precepts.
từ men từ lâu quý chân à từ lâu
Like all lovers since time eternal, the hermit sought to please his love. He gallantly promised to slay the spiders.
Từ sừng mình trong ruồi cho mong là lúc anh lay cái nó từ sừng mình trong ruồi tê.
Bây giờ con nghe từ lâu ơi lúc xa.
His search led him to one of the creatures.
Tay hao lắm anh ơi. Nó khôi men đấy đó.
Hãy có tung hãy chạm đom bong hãy bom mà nòng pro ha ơi biển biển mày biển
thư ơi anh.
có rót hơi đói thất thấy ơi ấy dây xóm lắp ơi tôn ý bị
Mùi Phi Bay này ngọt này ngọt cái slap bom slap cái tên Suy anh tên Suy anh bom tên Suy tên hồi này qua đây cha anh.
He had killed a living creature, and he was proud of his deed. The scheming Kenari gave him praise.
Lục ta bạc cài mẹ.
Qua sna đầy ta đấy.
Lục ta bạc cài nè lục ta.
Chân bạc cài chân.
Nhom cả na o bạc côn ma hai. Nhom cả na thay côn lia hai lục ta.
Từ cho từng buôn nhãn tục từng niềng quê nơi thay là xà tà ná.
Tết nhom cả na tay đai lục ta nhom cả na.
Đấy mày cái dây chân
lục ta.
mà nè.
Tết lục ta.
Nè vì vô ban này tao sắm lắp pin piếng vì vô ta xây ai nữa nè.
Sắm lắp tết nhom cả na xoay.
Dây khay yang chẳng mình cao thế khóc nè chừng ai nè dây chẳng khóc nè chừng ai nè.
Having no more use for him, the ungrateful Kenari tried to fly away with their youngest sister, but the hermit was too quick.
Tôi chấp mà bạn lim nhớ ý của tao na nè.
Ta lên tay nhom cả na ta lục ta không chấp.
Thế ta lên hào ti rồi.
Nhom cả na ọt hai thế mấy nhom cả na khma bom ôn nhom cả na.
Chẳng thế mình khma bom ôn đi vậy.
Ta thông muốn tên mục ta lục ta.
Mình ấy đi.
Na tam khơi.
Và phân năng ấy.
Na.
Mong ta băng bòi tôi phát khía nữa đừng phơi nữa ấy.
Na khơi nét xóm khía na.
Lấy cho trầm trề mừng ai trung tạo và thu bài đông tách mới mà.
Cái nó phân sầm lắm.
Giải.
The hermit thought Ratfadai would remain his forever, but the deceitful creature slipped away when he wasn't looking.
Mọc cái nhà mà ban vào quân mình vừa lo na tự lắp pin piếng ban vào quân mình cái nó tự bật mình nói tranh bao gói mà.
The old man was left with the spider he had slain and the bitter realization that the Kinari had made a fool of him. Ini menyangka mana wajah jikun neraca di jauh berkerau jauh bentar tapi jauh memang With magic powder and prayer, he tried to bring back the spider to life. In vain. the enormity of his sin now broke full force upon him. Poor hermit. Men wiser than he in the ways of the world had been beguiled before by a pretty face. But this, in his inexperience, he could not know. All he knew was that he had betrayed the sacred precepts, the long years of prayers, of self-denial, of following the holy path. Throughout his life, he must bear the crushing burden of his broken vows.